Hello children, good morning. What I taught you in the last class children, in the previous class, I have completed the poem that is somebody's mother, right? Then I made you to write all the mains in the CW and also I have sent you PDF. I think you have written this one very neatly children in the CW, okay? Then before starting the class, let me tell you one information children. What? While you are watching the videos, please sit with the textbook. Then only will come to know whatever is going in the class, online classes and all. Okay. Next. Shall we start the class children? Okay. Take out your textbook. Today we will start with a new lesson. Okay. Then before that, let me ask some questions. What questions? Some. What are living things children? Living things ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? That the things which breathe, okay, then the things which is able to walk, those things we call as a living things. Give me example for living things. We are all living things, animals, insects, next man, okay. Then non-living things, the things which cannot walk, that thing we call as a non-living things. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ living things ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೀವ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಸ್ಟರ್, ಮೌಸ್, ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Wild animals, domestic animals ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ which we are taking in the home, okay, and taking care of that, pets, right? Those we call as a domestic animal. It may be a goat or a rabbit, like next cat, dog, like that. Wild animals mean it will little bit those will harm us, ಅವು ನಮಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವು. Why? Because if we harm them. Wild animals ಇವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Automatically they do harm us, right? Related to some domestic animals children. Cat, okay, they have given here one lesson. Let me start with that lesson. What is that? The cat family of India, okay. Then some family is there related to cat. ಹೇಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಥರ ಇರೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾಟಿಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಲೆಸನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Lesson number 2.1. Lesson number 2.1. What is that? The cat family of India. Okay. The cat family of the cat family of India. Shall we start the lesson children? Okay. Before explaining about the lesson, let me read complete lesson. It means one page I am going to read completely children. After that I am going to explain one by one. Okay. One line after one. Take out your textbook. In that page number 36 you have to open. India is only country in the world that has all the three main species of cats: the lion, the tiger and the leopard. It also has all other smaller species of cats, including the domestic and wild cats. Though they differ in size and appearance, all belong to the same cat family. All members of cat family have short, rounded heads and long face whiskers. They have sharp teeth and powerful claws. Their long tails help them in jumping, climbing and balancing. Tigers are the biggest member of the cat family. Their average length is 9 to 10 feet. They have a yellowish fur with the black stripes. They hunt by night and lie still during the day. Tigers are very strong animals. One tiger can pull a dead buffalo, which even a group of people won't be able to move. The Indian tiger is also known as the Royal Bengal tiger. There was a time when tigers were found throughout India. Until the 1800s, we had thousands of tigers in our forest. Okay, this is regarding the page number 36, children. What they have given here, it's not any moral story, it's not any that philosophical, it's not any spiritual story, children. It's about the animal. Okay, I hope you may understand this lesson very clearly and very easily. Okay, first ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, it's they have explained about the cat family. Okay, let us start with the cat family. First one, India. India is only country in the world. Okay, India is one of the country in the world. Okay, next, that has all the three main species. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ India has only these such a species like a cat. Okay, of cats andre India ಒಂದೇ, what it is, it's a nation, right, has a cat species. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇವೆ. The lion, the tiger and the leopard. Okay, the tiger, the lion and the leopard, these all belongs to, or it's like a cat, children. Okay, you could ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cat ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, it also has all other smaller species of cats including the domestic and wild cats. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಾರಪ್ಪ, ಮನೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as a domestic and wild cats. Though they differ in size and appearance, all belong to the same family. See here, children, they may look differently in the size itself, in the that shape. Okay, but even though they all belongs to the cat family, ದೂರದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ತರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that all belongs to the cat family, children. Okay, what it is, India is only a country in the world that has all the three main species of cats. What are these three species of cats, children? That lion, tiger and the leopard. Okay, it also has all other smaller species of cats. It may be a domestic cat or a wild cat. Though they differ in size and appearance, and all belong to the same cat family. Okay, it may look differently, but those all belong to what, children? Cat family itself. It's about the first para. Okay, look at second para. There is no meanings, children. Species they have given, that species is breed or a group of animals. ಅಂದ್ರೆ group animal species ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಜಾತಿ ಜನಾಂಗ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, species ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, all members of the cat family have short rounded head and long faces, whiskers. See here, children, have you seen cat, children? How it is, it's a, what it is, have a short round headed ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ತಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and long face, whiskers means long stiff hair that grow near mouth of the cat. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, ಇದು ಮೀಸೆ ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, whiskers ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, they have sharp teeth and powerful claws. Their long tail help them in jumping, climbing and balancing. Okay, claws means sharp curved nails ಇರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಾರಪ್ಪ, ಊರಿಗೆ ನೇಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು, ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಎನಿಮೀಸ್. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಎನಿಮೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಒಂಚೂರು ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹುಷ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಏನು ಕೈಯಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದೇ ಬಿಡೋದು. ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಆಹಾರ ಸಿಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಒಂಚೂರು ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ನಾವು ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂಚೂರು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಅದು ಕುಡಿತಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೈಯಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ವಿತ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಮಸ್, ರೈಟ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹರಡ್ತಾನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಹರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಸಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮನೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸಿಟ್ಟೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಟೇಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಟೇಲನ್ನು ದಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿ ತನ್ನ ಸಿಟ್ಟನ್ನು, ತನ್ನ ಎಂಗರನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂದರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಪು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಒಂದು ಮರಿನ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಆ ಮರಿನ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನೇನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಅದು ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಂದು ದೇಹ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಲ್ ದಪ್ಪ ಆದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, Here, how it has a whiskers and a powerful claws. Whiskers means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಯಿ ಹತ್ರ ಉದ್ದುದಂಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಹೇರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, that called as a whiskers. Okay. Next, look at third para children. Tigers are the biggest members of the cat family. That tiger comes under the cat family. Okay, biggest animal in the cat family, which is that children, tiger. Okay, their average length is 9 to 10 feet. Length andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 9 to 10 feet. Okay, tigers are the biggest animal in the cat family. Okay, tigers are the biggest animal in the cat family. Next, it length is 9 to 10 feet. 9 to 10 feet. 9 to 10 feet. They have a yellowish fur. Fur means hair. With the black stripes, they hunt by night and lie still during the day. See here, children. They used to hunt the animals in the day. At night, they used to sleep. Okay. They hunt by night. In the night, they used to hunt. But in the daytime, they used to sleep. Tigers are very strong animals. One tiger can pull a dead buffalo, which even a group of people won't be able to move. See here, children. That the tiger is very powerful. So we feel afraid when we see the wild animals. Okay, tiger ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ 10 ಸತ್ತು ಎಮ್ಮೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. That's not possible from a man. Now just we are a pure vegetarian children. We have less capacity. Okay, that's why those animals we called as a wild animals, right? Those which harm to the others, that is called as a wild animals, right? The Indian tiger is also known as the Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, see here children, cat family ಒಳಗೆ big animal ಯಾವುದು? Tiger. ಆ ಟೈಗರಿಗೂ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Indian tiger is also known as a Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, see here. Indian tiger is also called as a Royal Bengal tiger, right? Royal Bengal tiger. Okay. Next, there was a time when tigers were found throughout India. Until 1800, we have thousands of tiger in our forests here. In India only we are watching or we are getting a much tiger species. Okay, it's about this complete page, children. Let me read with the page number 37. After completing that 37 page number reading, I am going to explain the one after one para. Okay, look at the textbook, page number 37. But over the years, large numbers of tigers have been killed. People hunted them for sport and kept their heads as a trophies. There was also myth about tiger skins having a magical powers of curing many diseases. So people killed them to have their skins. Urbanization and deforestation also took their toll on tigers. As a result, no tiger have been left in many parts of India. Do you know the tiger is our national animal? Is that the way to treat our national animal? Just think and decide what we should do. Lions are wild cats. They are tawny colored and adult male weigh about 180 kg and measures about 9 feet from nose to tail. The Indian lion differs from the African lion in that it has no mane. But unlike the African lion, it has a tuft of hair on its elbows. At the end of its tail and on its belly, lion usually live in groups called as a prides. A pride has one male, several females and their cubs. Lion often hunt as a team. The other species of wild cats love to hunt alone. At one time, lions were quite common throughout northern and central India, but now we have very few lions. They are found only in Gir forest of Gujarat. Okay, see here children. First para is, but over the years, large number of tigers have been killed. And so many tigers are killed. Why? Because of that man's selfishness. Why that man is killing that tiger? He used to make some medicines for his diseases. Then he is taking the hair, with the help of that hair he is doing there. Next, some trophies. Trophies means object kept show you are successful in something, especially hunting or war. See here. ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ. ಆ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಂತೆ, ಈ ಟೈಗರ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರನೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ? ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. Why is cutting the trees? To build a house? Okay, so that is for that selfishness he is cutting the much trees. Okay, instead of that forest they is building a so many that buildings and everything, right? Because of selfishness that tigers has been killed. Okay, do you know the tiger is our national animal? ನಮ್ದು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಟೈಗರ್. ಟೈಗರ್ನ ಕಿಲ್ಲೋದು ಸರಿನಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? It's not good. Why? Because they are living themselves in the forest, right? ತಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರೀ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೀಳಬಾರ್ದು. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಟೈಗರ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, lions are large wild cats. Lion also comes children. Lions are large wild cats. They are tawny colored. Tawny color ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂಥರ ಬ್ರೌನಿಶ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Okay. Next, an adult male weight about 180 kg. Adult lion ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ತೂಕ? 180 kg and measures 9 feet from nose to tail. 9 feet ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that tiger children 9 to 10 feet. Okay, it's a lion also same 9 to 10. Okay, the Indian lion differs from the African lion in that it has no mane. Mane means what children? Long hair on the neck of the horse or a lion. Long neck hatra enadru? See here, long hair on the neck. It has tuft of hair its elbows at the end of its tail on its belly. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇರ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಬೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಚೂರು ಹೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ just they have explained about the structure of that lion children. Okay, there is no need to explain this all. Lions usually live in groups called as a prides. Group of lion we call as a pride. Okay, a pride has one male, several females and their cubs. Cubs means baby. Okay, baby of lion called as a cub, right? One male and several females and their cubs. Lion often hunt as a team. The other species of wild cat love to hunt alone. Okay? Cat, wild cat, it used to hunt alone, but this lion used to hunt in a group. Okay. At one time, lions were quite common throughout northern and central India, but now we have very few lions. They are found only in the Gir forest of Gujarat. Nowadays, we are finding that lion in the Gir forest of Gujarat. Okay, 3 GK questions came here, children. What are those? First one, that tiger is our national animal. Sorry, tiger is our national animal. It's one. Next one, where we are getting the tigers, lions, Gir forest of Gujarat. Next, another one is tiger is the biggest member in a cat family. Okay, these 3 GK questions in English also came. Okay, this is about the page number 36 and 37. In this class I am going to stop this one, children. In the next class I am going to continue with the page number 38. Okay, let me recall the meanings, whatever meanings are given in this 2 pages. Okay, first one, species. Species means what? Breeds or groups of animals. Wait children, let me write. Meanings. First one, species. 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 Species means what? Breeds or group of animals having some common characters. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು group of animal, those have a same character children. Okay. Whiskers. Whiskers means long stiff hair that grow near the mouth of the cat. As I shown you children, whiskers. WHISKERS. Okay. Next, claws. Claws means sharp nail. Okay. Next, trophies. Trophies means object kept to show that you were successful in something. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆದ್ರೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಶೌರ್ಯತನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೋಫೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಮಿತ್, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಸತ್ಯ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಅರ್ಬನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಅರ್ಬನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೌನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಟಿ ರಾದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಲೇಜಸ್. ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಅರ್ಬನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. Took their toll, did a lot of damage or harm. Next, tawny, brownish yellow. Mane means long hair on the neck of the horse or a lion. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೆಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಹೇರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರೋ ಮಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, these are all what children difficult words which are related to the page number 36 and 37. Okay, I hope everybody have understood these two pages. What homework I am going to give you children today? Today you are going to read the lesson. What? How many pages I taught you in the class children? You have to read the lessons. Okay. Only reading homework today. Try to learn meanings of the all the lessons children, whatever I am going to give you. Okay. Read lesson. Read lesson. The cat family of India. The cat family of India. Okay. In this class children I taught only 2 pages of this lesson. You have to read that 2 pages. Okay. Remaining 1 page left children. I am going to continue that 1 page in the next class. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts or queries, you have to call to the school number children. Okay. What is the today's homework? Read lesson The Cat Family of India. ಬರೀ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಓದಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.